Make a great choice today with the 2007 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power driver's seat, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.